Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I am coming at you with a craft haul video. I have some dies to share with you that I purchased from AliExpress. So let's get started from Alina's Crafts. Is it Crafts? I don't think so. Yeah, Crafts. I purchased this little shop die, and this is what it looks like when it's cut out. It's the little door, the cash register, the window, and the awning. And mine cut out pretty good. Here is the door and the awning. In order to get the look they had, they used different, paper, probably pieced it together. And then here's the little window pane. So that cut out pretty good. And then I also purchased this rainbow die. And let me show you what that's supposed to look like. If I can find it on my phone. Sorry. So this is what that one looks like. With the little clouds and the little rainbows. But I had trouble with my Cuttlebug with this. I think my machine is kind of wearing out. And so I wasn't able to get a clean cut with this one. And then I purchased these rectangle dies, and it has the crisscrosses on them. And there's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of them. And once again, I had trouble. Like I said, I really do believe it's my machine. It's just the pressure is not even. I probably needed to put a shim between the plates. But this is what it would cut out if it all looked nice. You see, it didn't cut completely through there. But I'll work with this one. I'm pretty sure I can get a clean cut. And then I also picked up this really pretty scallop square die. And I think it's 10 in here. Yeah, and this large one is huge. It's, let me find my ruler. The large one is like a 7 1/4, so that's pretty big. It won't even fit through my cutting machine, but I like the other sizes very well. And I picked up this really pretty leaf. I picked up some leaf dies from Simon Says Stamps, and I had issue with them cutting with my Cuttlebug. And then another friend tried to use them and they still didn't work. But I contacted Simon and Says Stamp and they refunded me. So I was really happy about that. But this is how these cut out. They cut out really nice. So I'm really pleased with these. And I cut them out in different shades of green to show you guys. And also to keep in my stash. So that's that one. And then I picked up another leaf die set. And it's this one, and I don't know where the other one is. I think it fell behind my desk or something. So my desk is not one that can be easily moved. So I'll have to figure out where that is. And this is how this one turned out. Also super cute, different shades, and it cut out beautifully. And next was this cute little bird. Let me put that little bird die, and he's adorable, and I was able to cut him out, and put him together. It's super cute. His little feet and the bill is different, and the eyes and the wing and a part of his, I don't know, tummy. I don't know. But it turned out really cute. I really like this one. So that's the little birdie. And then I also picked up this one, and it's teacups. And I didn't die cut this one because once I received it, I realized that, yeah, I don't think I want to do this one. That's the way it looks. That's the way it's supposed to look. Right there. So that's that one. And then I got this, I think I got this little cat with the teacups, I'm thinking. I can't remember, but and I don't really care for cats. Sorry, cat lovers. but I didn't cut him out. So then I got this die, and it's a little girl, and I think it was Natalie here on YouTube. Her channel is Put Some Bling on it, and I believe she had this dice set, and I saw it, and I loved it. And so I made a card with her. Isn't she cute? OMG. Look at the hair and those big giant glasses. And then she has little shoes. And I cut them out with the glitter paper so you can't really see that it does have like little dimension, like the stripes. You kind of see it right there. And then the balloon and the string and the little things in her hair and her earrings. And this is the first time that I've ever used the white gel pen for eyes on a project. And I have purchased a gel pen. Actually, it's the Pentel Milky Pop, and it worked perfectly. And I used just a little border die I had, this little whatever that's called. And then this is one of the scallop from the previous set that I showed you. So I think she is super cute. What do you guys think? I just love this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have a giveaway. And I'm gonna give away the die for the little teacups, the little cat, and then I'm gonna pass along the rainbow, see if someone else can get it to work in their machine, and also the cafe or front, you know, with the awning and the door. And all you have to do is comment below and indicate you want to be included in the drawing. Just be a subscriber to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and I hope you will subscribe. I'll have the drawing until, let's say, Wednesday, this coming Wednesday, which is the 15th. Is that the 15th? It's today the 11th. 14th. So Wednesday the 14th, I'll draw a name for these dies, and I may include something else in there. You never know. Let me know what you think of all these dies, and do you order from AliExpress? Because I guess now they gather all your stuff up that you ordered, and then they send it in one envelope, which I like. It did take a while for me to get the dies, but I kind of like that, and you know that they're not coming in little piece by piece. And let me know what you think of this darling little girl, and I'll talk to you guys soon. And don't forget to enter into the drawing if you are interested. Bye.